Here in this video you will find the best portable AC which are smaller and compact in size. Let's start. At number 8, it is OPUSS Mini Portable AC, which you can buy online at the price of 5,608. And number 7, it is a GNEY Portable AC, which will cost you around 2,100. At number 6, this portable AC is from the top company, which is named Honeywell, and it will cost around 40,000. At number 5, it is a Garrison Portable AC, which will cost around 4,000 rupees. At number 4, this is beautiful design compact AC from GNEY. At number 3, it is a sleek and compact design from KANTHI. It is available in just 2,000 rupees. Number 2, you can also see it's a very sleek and it's a very compact design. It is available in just under 7,000 rupees, and it is from Pigeon Portable. At number 1, this AC is from Symphony, which is a well-known brand, and it is available under 9,000 rupees. If you like the video, subscribe, like and share, and also check the description box for more details.